We need to drink our med.
I'm in trouble.
We need to drink your med. Did you drink it? Your med. For yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Because you eat a lot. It's tasty. See, the one is tasty. Not only the skin. This one is tasty. How did you do this? And guys, masarap ang laman. How much is money, Elena?
How much money for that piece?
Yeah?
See over there.
Sorry. My God, 24.
Yeah, $24, $25. So what?
24.
We're gonna eat it. Who cares?
It's
That's
so
once in a
expensive.
while.
24.
You think it's too much?
We're gonna make lechon like one whole is 250.
Yeah. So that's when you buy the whole one, right? She had more pieces, and I said one piece of that.
But it's
Tasty.
good, tasty.
Yeah, that's even the down. Eat it. Few pieces. We'll eat it for lunch too. I'll give him some.
I'm done for lunch.
No, you're not. What about the
Now
wing?
there's a
You
lot.
like
The
wing.
chicken. The fish is still there.
Which one?
The fish.
I know that stupid man. I think that
Did you-
unknown is him. But
Oh.
I don't know. He's busy, I know, but I think he doesn't leave a message, nothing. So we're not going to keep it forever.
So we're gonna do that.
We eat it. Okay, I'll
You eat it. You wanna finish? Tama na kay high blood ang high blood. 24 yung isang ganito, 24. Yeah.
It's too much.
Yeah.
They are not worth it.
It's worth it though, because it's tasty.
Yeah, I know. Even when it's cold, it's
Yeah.
nice to make a sandwich from that.
I'm good at one.
I wanted a homemade bread, but she didn't get it yet.
Oh.
So
It's worth it, Helena, because it's tasty, even the meat,
I know
not
that.
only the skin.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You don't think I know what I buy?
I know.
I'm good with that. But
Before the other one also that you bought in Mississauga, it's yummy too. Yeah. In Mississauga, the one who come here, one guy said he's the one who make like that.
which one?
The guy sitting in here before, that he do like this roasted pig with the one Filipino guy.
You studied that?
Yeah.
If I knew that somewhere close, I would.
Mississauga, the one.
Mississauga
Thank you
is
guys
not
for
that close.
watching. Lechon,
Pretty soon I
lechon.
need to go because I don't have none of that meat.